Baby Hazel Nursery Rhymes. Old MacDonald had a farm. Hey there, we are going to MacDonald's farm.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof.
Dogs are very friendly. They're man's best friend.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. You can enjoy a horse ride.
Hooray!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. Hey kids, what sound does a horse make?
It's neigh-neigh.
With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Hey kids, let's enjoy the pig racing competition.
Hooray!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. Kids, what sound does a pig make? Oink, meow, moo. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Why have you kept a cow in the farm?
Cow gives us milk. Yummy, yummy. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. The moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Wheels on the bus.
Good morning, Hazel.
Good morning, Mom.
Sweetie, get ready for your school.
Okay. I am ready. Hooray! My school bus has come.
Bye, Hazel. Have a nice day.
Bye, Mom.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. All day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The babies on the bus go wah wah wah, wah wah wah, wah wah wah. The babies on the bus go wah 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 all around the town. The mummies on the bus go the mummies on the bus go all around the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down all around the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all around the town.
Chubby cheeks.
Kids, get ready for the show.
Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair. Eyes are blue, lovely
Wow.
too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes.
Ding dong bell.
Ding dong bell, Pussy's in the well. Who put her in? Little Johnny Thin. Who pulled her out? little Tommy Stout. What a naughty boy was that to try to drown poor Pussycat, who never did him any harm but killed all the mice in the farmer's barn. Ding dong bell, Pussy's in the well. Who put her in? Little Johnny Finn. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Stout. What a naughty boy was that to try to drown poor Pussycat, who never did him any harm but killed all the mice in the farmer's barn.
Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Jack, your crown! Oh no! Up Jack got and home he ran as fast as he could caper. There his mother bound his head with vinegar and brown paper. What did you do, Jack? I'm sorry. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Oh no, not again!
Finger family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Hey there, I am Hazel. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get an update on our new videos.